Hello student. So in this video I am going to discuss a numerical based on photo detector. So let's start this video. So I have written a numerical photo detector circuit in a given figure, and this is the given figure I have drawn. The photodiode, this is the photodiode, has an active area. This photodiode has an active area of 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter square, and sensitivity of this photodiode is given as, so sensitivity is given as 0.55 ampere per watt. When the light of intensity, that intensity of a light falling on diode is, so intensity of a light is given as 10 milliwatt per centimeter square, falls on photodiode, the output voltage. So we have to calculate this output voltage of this op amp or this circuit. Now, for diode to be in operation, it must be in photodiode to be in operating mode. It must be in reverse bias mode, and the current which is flowing, that is called photocurrent. This is an ideal op amp. The current entering into op amp will be 0 ampere, and using the concept of virtual ground, if this is at 0 volt, so potential at this terminal will be 0 volt, right? So this is a negative feedback and ideal op amp. So these two quantities will be valid for an op amp. Now V0 will be from this value. Current entering into this is 0, so all the current will be passed through this. So what if you calculate the V0? This is 0, this is V0, and this is the current. So V0 is equal to me minus IP into this 100K. This is the output voltage. So to calculate the output voltage, we need to calculate only the value of photocurrent, and to calculate the value of photocurrent, given quantities are active area, sensitivity and intensity. From this, using this, we will calculate the value of photocurrent. So intensity, what is the intensity? Intensity of a light is, see the unit is milliwatt divided by centimeter square. So power divided by area, and this area is nothing but active area. So from this intensity, that is equal to optical power divided by active area, which is nothing but active area. So intensity is 10 milliwatt per centimeter square into area is also given in centimeter square. So power will be in 10 raised to minus 2 milliwatt. This is the value of power. This is the optical power. Now next one thing is given is the sensitivity. What is the unit? Ampere divided by watt, yani current divided by power, means this current is the photocurrent divided by optical power. This is the sensitivity of this photodiode. So sensitivity is equal to optical current divided by photocurrent, optical power. This is the photocurrent divided by optical power. So sensitivity is 0.55 multiplied by optical power is, this is come out to be 10 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by, this is 10 raised to minus 3 watt. So it was in milliwatt, so 10 raised to minus 3 watt. Now, this is the sensitivity. So what is sensitivity? So this is the, we calculate this photocurrent. So sensitivity in this into optical power, sensitivity is 0.55 ampere per watt. So power must be in watt. So this is the power. So 10 raised to minus 1 multiplied 10 raised to minus 3 watt. Now our output voltage is equal to this photocurrent into resistance. So photocurrent is 0.55 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 100, 10 raised to minus 3 and 100K, that will get cancelled. So remaining voltage will be, if you calculate, this one will get cancelled and this minus 5.5 volt. So this is the output voltage of this given circuit. Thank you.